If you look at the Deputy Governor's response, the one my learned friend has made reference to, as from page 8, the Deputy Governor creates new charges that were not part of the County Assembly's charges. One of those is incompetence, budget absorption, budget variation, use of senior staff, mortgage provision, use of personal home for county functions and files and documents, not working with other leaders, use of an official personal on county matters, and he proceeds to make a defense on those charges. Those charges have not been read to the Deputy Governor, but this House is being invited to make a determination on those matters. It would be a waste of crucial time for this House to proceed and listen to a defense that contains a response to charges that were not part of the charges by the County Assembly. It is on that basis, Mr. Speaker, sir, that we ask the honorable senators to expunge that part of the response because it has no bearing, it has no relevance to these proceedings. That is all, Mr. Speaker, sir.
The side of the County Assembly, are you done with your opening statement?
Mr. Speaker, sir, we addressed the Honorable House pursuant to Rule 10 on preliminary issues because our opening remarks or statements may not be material until this question is determined because it will inform on how then our opening remarks then will be made and put across.
You see, Council, you could have made your opening remarks, and in so doing, you raise these issues so that the team from the Deputy Governor, representing the Deputy Governor, in their opening statement also will have an opportunity also to respond to your preliminary objections. And thereafter, then the Senate will make a determination on those issues.
I am well guided, Mr. Speaker, sir, but